Hi, friends. I'm Jackie Eicher, and this is Reading Corner. And this book I'm reading now is called The World of the Kalapuya, and this is by Judy Juntunen and others. I know Judy, and she goes to First Congregational Church when we're in person. So I am reading this because I found it in our library as we were cleaning and tidying. This chapter that I'm reading is from chapter 11. What I'm reading today is from chapter 11, and it's about medicines, the healing process. When someone became ill, the Kalapuya, who lived right here where we are in Corvallis, Oregon, believed that the whole person, body and spirit, needed to be healed. Healing ceremonies were an important part of the cure. A shaman was often on hand to repeat a chant or say a prayer. To heal the body, the native bands or tribes relied on medicinal plant remedies. A variety of problems could often be treated with different parts of the same plant. For example, the Kalapuya had different uses for the pitch, bark, and bud tips of the Douglas fir. They made the pitch into lotion to treat sores. They boiled pitch and drank it as a cold remedy. They drank tea made from needles as a tonic or applied it to the chest as a pain reliever. They also boiled bark and used the resulting liquid as an antiseptic. Chewing bud tips cured sore throats and sore mouths. Boiled young roots yielded a medicinal tea for colds and a bath for babies. Different bands might use the same part of the plant in different ways. Some groups chewed the bud of the western red cedar as a cure for chest congestion, while other groups chewed cedar buds for toothaches. While still others boiled the buds in water and used the liquid as a gargle. The Indians harvested medicinal plants year-round, each according to the season during which it was most potent. They dug up plant roots in early spring or late fall and harvested bark in winter or in early spring when it was easiest to remove. They often stripped away outer bark and discarded it in favor of more potent inner bark. Leaves were commonly collected before plants bloomed, but some were gathered when the plant was fully developed. Flowers were rarely used for medicinal purposes, but berries and other fruits were valued for their healing properties when fully ripe. Seeds were generally collected before the seed pods opened. The Kalapuya dried and stored most of these medicinal plants. They boiled, crushed, or chewed them as they needed, but placed some freshly picked plants directly on the skin or swallowed them. I think this is so interesting. And I love learning about the people who lived where I do now, but long ago. I hope you are enjoying this.